How to stack your ganache covered cakes. Here we have several different dark chocolate and white chocolate covered ganached cakes, and we're going to stack 3 of them. So you can see these bottom tiers have some dowels pre-cut and placed in them, and then we've just poured over some warm white ganache that's nice and smooth and soft, so it's very spreadable. That way we can add our middle tier on top, and then using the dowels that we've placed in there already, we're able to use them to press down just to secure it nice and firmly onto the base tier. And then we'll add some more white ganache to our middle tier, making sure that you always do cover the tops of those dowels. And now we can place our top tier into position. Press it down, make sure it's on there securely, and then don't move it. You need to let the ganache to dry and set up firm, and that way your cakes will be nice and stable. They'll be ready for covering with fondant or buttercream, however you're planning on finishing your cake. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.